Good evening to all of you. All the graduates, I request to take your seats. We are about to start the program. We are going to start the program now. Graduates, please occupy your seats. Don't stand on the way. I request others also to take the seats. Parents, faculty, staff, all of you take your seats. We are going to start the program. We are going to start the program. Please occupy your seats, all of you, those who are standing. Good evening to all of you. We are starting the program now. Please occupy your seats. Now guest and HOD are going to arrive. So they are entering the bowl. When they enter the bowl, please stand up and be in the standing position till they reach the stage. Chief guest and HOD are going to arrive now. Yeah, HOD and chief guest are coming. Please stand up. Please stand up, graduates. Please stand up. Yeah, please take your seats. Good evening to all of you. I am Professor Mallikarjuna, Department of Mechanical Engineering. We are starting Departmental Degree Distribution Program for 2026 this year. So, first we will start the program with invocation.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிது தெக்கனமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே. வந்தே மாதரம் வந்தே மாதரம் சுஜலாம் சுஃபலாம் மலயஜ शीतलाम् शस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्नां पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्. कोटि कोटि कंठ कल कल निनाद कराले कोटि कोटि भुजे धृत कर करवाले अबला के नो माथ बोले बहुबलधारिणी नमामि तारिणी रिपुदलवारिणी मातरं वन्दे मातरम्. तुमि वेद्या तुमि धर्मा तुमि हृदि तुमि मर्मा त्वं हि प्राणाः शरीरे बाहुते तुमि मा शक्ति हृदये तुमि मा भक्ति. तोमार प्रतिमा गढ़ि मंदिरे मंदिरे वन्दे मातरम्. त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरण धारिणी कमला कमलदल विहारिणी वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वां नमामि कमलाम् अमलाम् अतुलाम् सुजलां सुफलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्. श्यामलां सरलां सुस्मितां भूषितां धरणीं भरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Yeah, you can take your seats. Now I request our HOD, Professor Balaji, to welcome the gathering and also give the departmental report.
Vanakkam, Namaste, good evening to all of you. At the outset, with a lot of joy and pride, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you here today who have gathered for the 63rd Convocation of IIT Madras and the 8th Departmental Degree Distribution Program of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, also known as D3P. This evening is dedicated to celebrating your achievements and the achievements of our graduating students, a moment that marks both a culmination as well as a commencement. On this occasion, as the head of the department, I congratulate the graduating class of 2026, as well as all the faculty members, mentors, technical staff, staff members, and family members who have played a pivotal role in guiding and supporting our students in this journey. Today is not a closing chapter, but the turning of a page where the ink of your efforts meets the unwritten promise of tomorrow. It marks not an end, but the beginning of a lifelong journey of lifelong learning and continuous updating, and in the power to pursue knowledge, purpose, and the quiet fulfillment that comes from shaping the world around you. In this celebratory moment, I would like to reflect on the enduring wisdom of one of the greatest of Tamil saints, poets, Thiruvalluvar, who remains as Karkak Kasadara Karpavai, Katrapin Nirka Adarku Taga. This profound Tirukural, it's got just 2 lines, reminds us to learn thoroughly what should be learned. And then, having learned that, we should stand according to that. Today's esteemed chief guest is Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair, a highly distinguished scientist, former director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC, and currently Vikram Sarabhai research professor at VSSC Thiruvananthapuram. He is also an alumnus of the Mechanical Engineering Department. He got his PhD from this department. I thank him for graciously accepting our invitation and welcome him on behalf of the department. Give him a good hand, please. So it gives me great pleasure to mention that IIT Madras, an institute of eminence, is the best in the country for 7 successive consecutive years in the overall university category and 10 consecutive years in engineering category under the NIRF ranking scheme. The Mechanical Engineering Department at IIT Madras is the second best in the country and is ranked 48 globally in the QS rankings. So this is the second time we have hit the sub 50. We are within the first 50 in the world. Our rank is higher than many other universities which are well known to others. All right. So I thank all the students, faculty, staff, and alumni who have propelled us to these great heights. Currently, the department has 1,369 students, out of which 233 are PhD scholars, 70 are MS scholars, 363 are MTech, 713 are BTech and dual degree students. Ours is one of the largest departments in the institute with 72 faculty members, 3 professors of practice, 29 technical and 18 administrative staff members. The department has 3 postdoctoral fellows who work on challenging problems and they publish in top quality journals. The department has served as a springboard to many of these postdoctoral fellows who are seeking academic positions and research positions both within the country and outside. 6 faculty members hold distinguished professorships, 2 as institute professors and 4 as chair professors. Seven young faculty members, Dr. Abhishek Saini, Dr. Mohammad Hassan, Dr. Rahul Yadav, Dr. Samya Sen, Dr. Siddesh, Dr. Shubhajit Biswas, and Dr. Sugan Durai Murugan have joined the department this year. Rear Admiral Bansal, who recently retired from the Indian Navy, Dr. P.V. Venkatakrishnan, who retired as Director of the Capacity Building Program, the ISRO headquarters, and Dr. Krishnadasan C.K., who retired as Deputy Director of Structural Engineering, ISRO, VSSC Thiruvananthapuram, are now serving as Professors of Practice in the department. I'm proud to report that today 456 students will be awarded the degrees from the department, out of which 421 will receive them in person and the rest in absentia. We have 55 doctoral degrees, 32 Master of Science by Research, 104 regular MTechs, 50 web-enabled MTech degrees, 177 BTech, and 38 dual degrees. Our faculty members and research scholars continue to excel in research with support from the government and industry, leading to extensive collaborations and publications on fundamental and applied problems and filing patents. Over the last year, our scholars and faculty members have published more than 428 papers in reputed peer-reviewed international and national journals, as well as in international and national conferences. Furthermore, several faculty members serve on the editorial boards of prestigious journals, such as Engineering Fracture Mechanics, Applications in Engineering Science, International Journal of Thermal Sciences, Journal of Tribology, and International Journal of Engine Research. We introduced the intra-departmental funding opportunities last year, and our department has procured a thermal conductivity analyzer for liquids designed to measure thermal conductivity of nanofluids in the range of 0.2 to 2 watts per meter per Kelvin, and a hot wire anemometer that can be used to measure the velocity of fluids, 6-axis force torque sensor for aerodynamic measurements. Our department has also procured a drive-by-wire platform for L4 low-speed autonomous driving development for Indian conditions. The key features are 4-wheel independent motion control drive and multiple voltage platform power supply function. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, has funded the IIT Madras to the tune of 242 crores to establish the India Center for Lab-Grown Diamonds for gem and electronic industry applications to help drive the country become the leader in this space. Incent LGD has developed India's first high-pressure, high-temperature system to grow single crystal diamonds. The Center of Research Excellence in Wind Energy has started functioning through funding from our alumnus, Mr. Venkat Rangan. Sri S. Ramakrishnan Center for Excellence in Fluid Thermal Research has been established with generous financial support from ISRO and has started functioning in the Heat Transfer Lab. The Extraterrestrial Manufacturing XTEM Research Center, coordinated by Professor Satyan Subbaya, was originally created using the Institute of Eminence funds. This has recently attracted industry attention. XTEM's research will strengthen India's Gaganyaan mission and the future space station. This will also open up new avenues of modern technology in manufacturing. XTEM's research featured in the Prime Minister's 118th edition of the Mann Ki Baat. YD1, an indigenous, ultra-lightweight, rigid-frame, active manual wheelchair designed and manufactured by Thrive Mobility in collaboration with the TDK Center for Rehabilitation Research and Device Development, IIT Madras, has been launched this year. Mechanical engineering is entering a new era where high-fidelity simulations, machine learning, and scalable computing drive innovation. The Department of Mechanical Engineering is launching a new futuristic master's program, MTech, in mechanical engineering with specialization in computational engineering for mechanical systems, starting in July-November 2026 to prepare the next generation of engineers for simulation-driven innovation. The program integrates classical mechanics, advanced numerical methods, machine learning, and high-performance computing to train students in designing and optimizing complex mechanical systems. Graduates from this program will develop expertise in such areas as FEM, CFD modeling, digital twins, AI-assisted engineering, and large-scale computational simulations. Now, it gives me immense pleasure to mention some of the awards and honors received by our faculty members during the last academic year. 9 of our faculty members continue to be rated among the world's top 2 scientists by Stanford University for 2025. So they are Professor Ashish Kumar Sen, C. Balaji, Krishnan Balasubramaniam, Pallab Sinha Mahapatra, V. Raghavan, Sarit Das, K. Srinivas Reddy, Sundarajan Natarajan, and Sushanta Kumar Pandigrahi. Dr. Anuj Tiwari has been awarded the Tihan R&D Faculty Fellowship. By Tihan IIT Hyderabad, and Chandramouli P. Early Career Chair by IIT Madras. Professor Dhiman Chatterjee was awarded the Srimati Marti Annapurna Gurunath Award for excellence in teaching. Professor Samuel is awarded the Fulbright Nehru Fellowship, Academic Professor. Professor S.K. Das has been elected as the AUTSC Fellow. A fellow of INSA. He has also been awarded the J.C. Bose Fellowship by ANRF. Professor Sushanta Kumar Pandigrahi has been elected Fellow of the ASM. He has also been awarded the Mid-Career Research and Development Award by IIT Madras. Professor Ashish Kumar Sen was awarded the Vasvik Research Award 2026. He has also been elected as a Fellow of the Institute of Physics, UK. Startups. The Mechanical Engineering Department at IIT Madras is a vibrant hub for innovation, fueling a culture of entrepreneurship where faculty members and students launch numerous startups. Detect, Planis, Solinas, Neomotion, Thrive, BotForge Robotics, Madras 3D Private Limited and Automagri Private Limited are some of the few notable startups from the department. Sponsored research and consultancy. Our faculty members have received 139.6 million INR of funding for sponsored research projects from different government agencies and industries during the year. They are also actively engaged in transferring the knowledge to industry to consultancy projects, generating INR 309.2 million last year through industrial consultancy and INR 371.5 million through socially relevant or community supporting funding. Patents and IP generated. Last year, our faculty members and students filed 57 Indian and 5 international patents. 29 Indian and 4 international patents were granted in the year 25-26. I am proud to say that our department contributes significantly to the number of patents awarded to IIT Madras as envisioned with the director. Acknowledgements. On behalf of the faculty and staff of the department, I'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to the Ministry of Education, Government of India, the central state ministries, and esteemed government organizations like AERB, ARDB, DAE, ANRF, DRDO, ICMR, CPR, and ISRO, along with several public sector and private sector industries for their continued interest and generous support for all our activities. I'd like to acknowledge the exceptional support and steadfast commitment provided by the alumni for the growth of the department and the institute as a whole. I take this opportunity to offer my special thanks to the technical and administrative staff of the department for the unwavering efforts in the smooth running of various activities of the department, and their support continues to be valuable. It is now my privilege to extend our sincere thanks and warmest welcome to Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair, the chief guest of today's function. Sir, we are deeply honored by your presence and for acceptance of our invitation. Your presence lends grace and significance to this solemn occasion, and we eagerly look forward to your inspiring address. As we come to a close of this address, I take great joy in extending my heartfelt congratulations to all the prize winners and the graduating students. This day marks a significant milestone in your lives, one of achievement, transition, promise, and a little bit of sadness that you're going to leave the campus. Maybe you'll be blessed with professional success, good health, and happiness, and above all, the deep satisfaction that comes from a life devoted to meaningful service to your profession, fellow human beings, your families, and to our great nation. Thank you all, and may this day remain etched in your memories as a celebration of hard work, perseverance, and a new beginning. We'll award you the degrees. Have a nice evening. Nandri. Jai Hind.
I also welcome our beloved HOD, Professor C. Balaji. Yeah, now it is my distinct honor and privilege to introduce the chief guest for this year's D3P of the Mechanical Department, Dr. S. Unnikrishnan Nair. Unnikrishnan Nair, currently Vikram Sarabhai Professor, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, that is popularly called as VSSC, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, is a distinguished scientist, former director of VSSC, and the Indian Institute of Space Technology and Space Science and Technology, IIST, and also founding director of Human Space Flight Center, that is HSFC, Bangalore. Dr. Unikrishnan received Master of Engineering from IISc Bangalore and PhD from Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Madras. He is our alumnus. He is recipient of the Distinguished Alumnus Award from both IISc Bangalore and IIT Madras. He is recipient of Outstanding Leader of the Year in 2025 from Aeronautical Society of India. He also received 4 ISRO Merit Awards, including the ISRO Individual Merit Award. Dr. Unikrishnan has immense contribution in Indian Space Research Program. He superheaded Chandrayana-3, Aditya L1, Gaganyaan, Next Generation Launch Vehicle, that is NGLV, and Chandrayana-4 initiatives, and led missions for Reusable Launch Vehicle, that is RLV, landing experiments, LVM-3, GSLV, PSLV, SSLV launches. He was Program Director of Advanced Space Transportation System at VSSC. He was a specialist in re-entry technology for the flights. He is Honorary Advisor of Space Park, KSPACE, Government of Kerala. He is a member, Board of Governor, IIIT Kottayam. He has also authored 7 short stories in leading Malayalam periodicals. With this brief introduction, I invite Dr. Unikrishnan Nair as the esteemed chief guest to this function to share his valuable insights and address the gathering.
Very good evening. Professor Balaji, HOD of the Mechanical Department, faculty, staff, proud parents, and today's stars, dear graduates from Mechanical Department. So this Convocation has a significance. First time I am attending a convocation that is held in the night. So it has its own beauty. And this place again has significance to me. I received my PhD from the same SAC hall. And after the Chandrayaan-3 landing, there was a reception to the alumni of IIT here in the same hall. And now for this convocation. So thank you IIT Madras for providing me all these 3 opportunities. So I was just thinking, I passed out in 1985 when you were not born, not even thought of. But then if you look at the syllabus, there is not much change in syllabus. Same thing, because the physics will not change, Carnot cycle is still Carnot cycle. Entropy is still entropy, but then you have better tools, better software. And now, with the rampant use of AI-powered systems, you have a better vision of how to study better and then how to extract better information. And then the entire internet system is there, lot of information available which you can access. But then I thought, having traveled so many years, I usually share my experience. It's not advice, because nobody likes advice. But then knowledge is something which I can impart to you. A teacher can tell students, or you can share with others. But there is something which we gather as time progresses, that is called wisdom. Wisdom is something which we cannot easily transfer to somebody. So, but then wisdom, as we age, you get wisdom, but by the time, time is also passing out. But then we try to tell the next generation, this is how we have passed. Maybe your path may be unique, it could be different, but certain things will be common. First point, what I want to tell you is that usually after the college days are over, once you get the degree, you throw all the books and say that bye. So I am a graduate, so I can step out and then do the work. But the real learning of engineering starts once you get into some job. There were so many topics, first year, second year. You may think unrelated, like principles of management, surveying, leveling, electrical, electronics. But then you see that really, when you solve a problem, all these problems are interdisciplinary. So you need to have a little bit of everything if you want to communicate with others and convey your requirements and also to understand others' requirements. So the learning is a continuous process and things are changing very fast. So that is the first lesson which I want to share with you. Second is, see, with the social media, we all work in silos. Late night, you look at mobile and then get information, write papers and all. But the process, if you look at any major project in any organization, in private or government, it is a teamwork. We work together. In fact, they work in such a way that we complement our qualities, capabilities, and the best of each one is utilized for a specific project. So this is something which when you step out, you will find people. There are people which you find very easy to interact with. There will be tough guys. Maybe your boss also would be a tough guy. But then this art of living with such difficulties, that is something which we need to prepare. But don't worry, it is a process. But then you don't get disheartened in such process. Because again, it is a continuous process. Our system is so smart that we can always learn and correct it. Third is when you work on a specific project, like with your own house, the first thing what you need to write down is the specification and requirements. You should be very clear what the customer wants. What exactly, otherwise you start working on it, you give a prototype, then you would say that no, this is not the way I want it. So that initial process, some time should be spent in discussing, understanding. Sometimes the customer may not be articulate properly. So it is like a doctor interacting with a patient and diagnosing him or her. They may not tell the proper symptoms. So this is something which is very important. If at all it takes some time, you should be very clear about your requirements and specification. And when you work on a project, you should also know that it is not money. Time also is, schedule also is money. So if a project can be completed faster by one day, by adopting a technology or by going through some other means, you should always pitch in for that. And in aerospace system, especially rocket, we always face failures. Don't think that when you step out and work on something, everything will be success. It will be definitely failures. In fact, failures gives you a lot of information than success. Success means you clap and go to the next mission. But in a failure, you make failure analysis committee, you look at systems that have worked, systems that have not worked, and then understand. So please always be prepared for failures. And the learning, you can always learn from everybody. Don't think there is somebody's... Sometimes you may learn from a sweeper or a technician. When I joined engineering, VSSC, the first thing I did in my first few weeks, I went to the workshop and I asked the technician how to rivet it, how to file it. Okay, we used to do in engineering college, the moment if you want to drive a rivet, the type of holding, the skill required is something which you can only do by doing it. So this learning is anywhere, anybody, sometimes a child can teach you something. And in ISRO, I can say that the greatest learning happens in meetings. There are technical meetings, but I have seen people who come and then they just wait for their agenda. If it is 11 o'clock, till 11 o'clock they shut down their system, some people. But there are people very keen. They look at it and they learn from all transactions. So meetings are places where you can learn a lot. Even if it is not your domain, you can open your sensors and then gather maximum information from that. So these are all probably as you progress, you can appropriately absorb these points, and I wish that you will have a greater career. Tomorrow, you know that tomorrow India is going to script history. The first startup in the country, Skyroot, the first rocket is going to be launched tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Morning. See, this is the opportunity available outside. It's not that everyone should go to government job or corporate. There are plenty of opportunities, especially after the opening up of space. There are so many startups, more than 300 startups. Many of them are working in different class, upstream, midstream, and downstream. Upstream is risky, like a satellite launch vehicle. And I am very happy to note that IIT incubated one of the startups, Agnikul. They are also working on a very complex technology, that is semi-cryo-based rocket. Semi-cryo is a very involved, complex technology. So that is the type of activities that youngsters are entering into. There are at least 2 startups who work on re-entry system. They want to take samples to space and then do experiment and bring it back. One of my juniors in HSFC, he has resigned. And he has started a company where his job is to develop a robot which can go and collect debris, space debris. It is a menace, and then decelerate it and then reduce the debris in space. So there are so many areas open up, and we need very disruptive technologies. You know how the space was transformed by the disruptive technologies of SpaceX, mostly led by Elon Musk, and the Blue Origin in the USA and in many parts of the world. So if you look at in rocketry, if there is one single technology that we need to master, is the propulsion system, or a compact high thrust engine. You look at the type of engine we have, and the type of engine NASA SLS, and the type of engine which the Elon Musk has mastered over last 2 decades. It has become so compact. Here, the technology he has used, the 3D printing or 3D printing to make the engine so compact, and all the external plumbings and everything he has taken inside and made it so compact and lightweight. And that is the technology which we need. Our engines, we have engines, semi-cryo engines, rocket engines, but the way it operates, the SpaceX engine, Raptor engine is operating at 300 bar, whereas our engine is operating at 100 bar. So what we need is the technology to operate at a higher pressure. When you operate at a higher pressure, temperature is high. You know the Carnot theorem, 1 minus T2 by T1. We do the same thing there in a rocket engine. If you can operate the core or the combustion chamber at very high pressure, if you want 100% Carnot efficiency, then you have to have maximum temperature, infinity temperature, and the source should be at 0 degree, but it is not practical. But in a rocket engine, something like 50% efficiency we achieve. That is the highest efficiency compared with a aircraft engine, or even a rocket engine has a better efficiency than an aircraft engine. But then technology is in what is the type of material. The temperature is so high, but then the material should withstand. That is how the SpaceX has developed a special material. So we need manufacturing technology, material science, and related technologies to master this technology. So you have a huge challenge waiting outside if you want to work in this propulsion area. And when we step into Bharatiya Antariksha Station, we have a program called Sample Return from Moon, where the capsule will be landing. After landing, samples will be collected and bringing back. These are all precursor mission for a manned mission to Moon. But then there are so many opportunities for developing new technologies. So when you are working in Bharatiya Antariksha Station, you know that in space, the gravity, it is a free fall condition. Gravity is not there. When you are on Earth, the major force is the gravity pull. The moment it is vanishing, other forces will come up, like surface tension or other microscopic forces will act. And when in space, if you want a real microgravity, you need a perfect isolation of the disturbance. When the astronaut is moving, when the thruster is firing, all sorts of disturbance are there. So you need a micro vibration management. That is one emerging area as far as India is concerned. It's a very complex technology because the levels are so low. If you want to conduct some microgravity experiment, the real microgravity, you need to isolate all these disturbances. It's not only that, there are many other areas like if you want a flight suit or an extravehicular activity, when you want to go to moon, you have to come out of the capsule. So you need an extravehicular activity suit. Even the simple washroom, what we use on Earth, if you want to translate into a compact one for a capsule, it's a huge technology. It involves, because the space is so cramped. So you need to have the cleanliness, hygiene, all sorts of things in a very small space. So I just want to congratulate, I would like to congratulate each one of you, because you are all passing out from the finest institutions in the world and number one institutions in the country, and you have the best starting for a sprinter. The best the starting is the best in his career. So you have the best starting, and I am sure with this armored with the technology and also the stamp from IIT Madras, you will all shine in your all future endeavors, whether here it is India or in private sector or government sector or abroad. Don't worry. But you should shine and be the best wherever you go. For that, all the prayers and best wishes. And once again, congratulations to the students, and also congratulations to the proud parents. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair, for your nice words and also sharing your ideas. So now we have,
I joined Dr. Mallikarjuna in thanking Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair. So he landed from Trivandrum today at 10:30, and then he reached the hotel at 12, and then he's not taken rest. He has visited NCCRD, he has visited Heat Transfer Lab, he talked to faculty members, he met somebody from Hindu. After this program, there's somebody from a TV news reporter is meeting, and 4 o'clock he has to get up, and 5 o'clock he has to leave for the airport. He's already retired, but infinite energy he has. That is the trademark of ISRO leaders. I was anxious. Yesterday I called him many times. He was not picking the phone. Right? Tomorrow is the convocation. I am not able to reach the chief guest. He was traveling from Bangalore to Trivandrum because he was attending meetings in Bangalore. 12:30 he immediately called. Sorry, I was in the flight. Now I can speak. So that this is just to tell you how busy he is, how he's occupied, and how he's helping the nation grow even after decades and decades of service at ISRO, right? I've seen several ISRO leaders like this. They can conduct marathon meetings for 12 hours, review meetings and all that, and still ask the right question at 7 p.m. and the meeting starts at 9 a.m. Okay, so that's indefatigable. That's the hallmark of ISRO. All right, anyway. Okay, let's come to the juiciest part of the program. You're all waiting to get your degrees. All right, so cheer up, okay? No more speeches, all right? So graduates, as your names are being called out, please come to the dais and receive the prizes and degrees. 99.9%, there should not be any confusion, but just open the certificate and ensure that it's your name and it's your certificate, all right? Okay, now we will start with the prizes, and then there'll be a small acceptance speech by each of the prize winners, following which we'll have the degree distribution, all right? Sounds good? All right.
okay, now we have distribution of prizes to the student toppers by the chief guest. So I will read out the names. The prize winners can come and collect your prize from the chief guest. So the first award is Dr. V. Ganeshan Dissertation Award instituted by Ms. P. Rajalakshmi for the best PhD thesis in the area of thermofluid sciences among all departments. Carrying a silver medal is presented to Mr. Arshdeep Singh Ram. The second prize is Professor R. Krishnamurthy Endowment Award instituted by Professor Mayuram and Professor L. Vijayaraghavan for the best MS PhD project work in the areas of surface engineering, tribology, Advanced Materials, Composites, Coatings and Treatments. Carrying a silver medal is presented to Miss P. Jayalakshmi. The next award is the Best MS Thesis Award instituted by IIT Madras. Carrying a silver medal is presented to Mr. Sanjay Babu. The next award is going to Nirbhay, awarded the Best Academic Record in the MTech, instituted by IIT Madras, carrying a silver medal, and the Best Academic Record in the Mechanical Design stream, instituted by IIT Madras, also carrying a silver medal in recognition of his outstanding academic performance. The next award is the Best Academic Record in Manufacturing and Precision Engineering stream, instituted by IIT Madras, carrying a silver medal, is presented to Mr. Aparajitan. The next award is the Professor Mizar Devadas Pai Memorial Endowment Prize, instituted by Mr. Gopinath K. and Ms. Padmini Gopinathan for the best project in the field of machining among the dual degree and MTech programs. Carrying a silver medal is presented to Mr. Buri Shankar Rao. Okay, the next award is the Best Academic Performance in Web-Enabled MTech Program in Mechanical Design, award instituted by IIT Madras. Carrying a silver medal is presented to Mr. Praveen C. The next is the Best Academic Performance in Web-Enabled MTech Program in Automotive Technology Award, instituted by IIT Madras. Carrying silver medal is presented to Mr. Keshav Prasad S. Not there. Okay, so he is not there. The next award is the Professor G.V.N. Raidu Memorial Prize, instituted by Miss G. Sarojini and Mr. Prem Kumar Gogoneni for the best academic record in the mechanical engineering among students of dual degree program. Carrying a silver medal is presented to Mr. Vas Vedanshu. Gaurang Boy. The next award is the Best Academic Record in BTech, award instituted by Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Madras. Carrying a gold medal is presented to Kamalapur Malar Praveen. Yeah, done. Yeah, I congratulate all the prize winners. Now, I would like to invite the awardees for their feedback thing. First, I invite Ms. P. Jayalakshmi, recipient of Professor R. Krishnamurthy Endowment Award.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Respected chief guest, our HOD, faculties, staffs, students, parents, and my fellow graduates. It's a great pleasure to receive the Professor R. Krishnamurthy Endowment Award in the area of surface engineering and tribology from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Madras. Sorry. Today, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my supervisor, Professor Ram Kumar, and the DC members for their valuable guidance and encouragement throughout the journey. Also, my sincere thanks goes to faculties, staffs, collaborators, and my fellow researchers who have contributed to my academic growth. And to my family members, particularly my daughter Yalini, who sacrificed a lot during my PhD journey. A PhD is often described as a journey of perseverance. Indeed, it has been a test of patience, resilience, and faith. As a technical staff at IIT Madras, doing PhD is a great journey. The first thing is to overcome the criticism from all the directions, and a perfect balance is required to carry out regular work, family, and a PhD. However, as long as you have a wish to achieve something, dedication and consistent effort lead to progress. That progress provide results, and ultimately that result will help you to achieve your goal. I would like to give a small note to all. In your lifetime, whenever you get a chance to learn, please do it. Definitely, it will enhance you in all the aspects like your career, personal development, and especially you as a great human. It will change the perception of the world and the people around you. Last but not least, thank you everyone for supporting me, and congratulations to all the graduates of 2026. Thank you so much.
So next I invite Mr. Sanjay Babu, recipient of the Best MS Thesis Award.
Respected dignitaries, fellow graduates, family, friends, a very good evening to all. It's a great honor to receive the Best MS Thesis Award from the Department of Mechanical Engineering in IIT Madras. I'm deeply honored to receive the award and for the recognition of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I still remember my first day coming here. I think you can all relate, seeing the logo for the first time. After coming here, you all could have gone the goosebumps. It wasn't just another institute for me. It was a struggle for 3 years to reach here in IIT Madras, and I think standing here, it is all worthwhile. When I joined Madras, I made one promise to myself that I will not let any of my opportunities pass by. This campus gave me freedom to explore and grow. Through research, clubs, volunteering, placement team, conferences, publications, and patents, I discovered opportunity that shaped me both personally and professionally. IIT Madras didn't just give me a degree, it transformed me. I sincerely thank my guide, advisor, Professor Chandramouli Padmanabhan, and the GTC members of my MS committee for their guidance, trust, and encouragement in this journey. I'm also grateful to the faculty, the lab members, my lab mates, and my friends for the support. More importantly, I thank my family, my father and my mother and my sister, all are here. Thank you. A special thanks to my father that laid the foundation of who I am, and I'm standing here. I thank my partner also. She was with me from the start, even before this IIT Madras journey. Thank you for that. As I graduate, we all can say that we have zero regrets after graduating here. I gave my best, and the institute also given me the best. Finally, I would like to leave everyone with one thought from my life, is that it doesn't matter whether some journeys take too long to reach. It got me 3 years to get an admission in IIT Madras. So I'm saying is keep moving forward, because if you're willing to do so, there is something meaningful for you in the life. Thank you, and best wishes to everyone.
Thank you. So next I invite Mr. Nirbhay, recipient of the Best Academic Record in MTech and Best Academic Record in Mechanical Design stream.
Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity and inviting me to the stage. Respected Chief Guest Dr. Unikrishnan Nair, respected Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Professor Chakravarti Balaji, esteemed faculty members, dear parents, and my friends, and everyone who is present here and is joining online, I, Nirbhay, stand before you deeply honored to receive the Institute Merit Prizes. The past 2 years at IIT Madras, within the hallowed grounds of IIT Madras have been truly life-changing for me, and they have been filled with a tremendous amount of technical learning. The flexibility provided by this institute allowed me to explore a lot of uncharted territories, not just in my domain, mechanical engineering, but also in allied fields, for example, biomedical engineering. I will be forever indebted to the faculty members for bestowing upon me the sacred gift of knowledge, which I will hold dear and cherish throughout my life with the utmost respect and love. As Tony Stark once said, part of the journey is the end. And with this journey ending, I come out fully exalted. To the Almighty Akal Purakh and all my gurus, the faculty members of all the departments, specifically mechanical engineering, I humbly bow before you and placing my head on your lotus feet, I request you to kindly accept my sincere gratitude for everything that you have taught me. I thank the Institute as a whole for recognizing my efforts, and I thank all the professors, my faculty advisor and project guide, Professor Krishna Kannan, all staff personnel, my parents, family members, my partner, my friends, and everyone whom I could not name, since I am here where I am today because of your blessings and your guidance. Graduating from IIT Madras is a dream come true. And as I start a new chapter in my life, I ask for your continued blessings and pray that I may live up to the exceptional standards set by this institute. I would like to conclude my address with Sadhguru Sahib Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji's verse from Japji Sahib of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Sab gun tere, main nahi koe, meaning all virtues are yours, my Lord, none are mine. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Nirbhay. Next, I will call Mr. Kamalapur Mallar Praveen, recipient of the Best Academic Record in BTech.
Honorable Chief Guest, all the professors, parents, and all my dear friends, a very good evening to all of you. Hearty congratulations. It is truly an honor to stand before you today. I entered the institute 4 years ago as an ambitious boy who was proud of making it to an IIT, not knowing what really he was getting into. Today, I leave with a clearer sense of purpose and a sincere appreciation for what the institute has taught me. It is difficult to point out exactly how an institute shapes us, but I feel somewhere along the way it quietly makes us better prepared for the bigger challenges and responsibilities that lie ahead. I would like to thank the head of our department, Professor C. Balaji, who was also my faculty advisor. His constant support made my journey through the institute very smooth. His discipline, commitment to excellence, and willingness to take up new challenges are qualities that I will always look up to. I want to thank Professor Manish Anand, my BTech project guide. His guidance and encouragement were invaluable, and his vision towards innovation will always inspire me. To be honest, I don't really know how I feel right now. I feel immensely happy, of course, graduating from one of the finest institutes in the country. I feel a deep sense of gratitude towards my professors, my parents, and all my friends without whom this journey would have never been possible. And I even feel a little sad knowing that the most amazing 4 years are now coming to an end. I will miss this place a lot. I will miss the campus. I will miss the beautiful sunsets. I will miss the deer. I'll miss the monkeys. Well, maybe not the monkeys, but I will definitely miss all of you who made this place my home. Wherever life takes us, I am sure that IIT Madras will hold a special place in our hearts. It is a privilege to carry the IIT Madras name with us and an even greater responsibility. I do not doubt that each one of us will live up to it. Thank you very much and congratulations to the batch of 2026.
Thank you, Mr. Praveen. Sorry. So now we have come to the important stage of the program, the degree distribution. So may I request our HOD to distribute the degrees to the graduates. Wait. So I will read out the names of the graduates so they can go and receive the degree. So we'll start with PhD degree first. The first person is Somasundaram. Channa Raidu. Kavya. Parul Mishra. Sagar Jambukar. Ajit Jogi. Anureka. Pratyusha. Nitin Joseph Tito. Viparla Srikanth. Rakesh Kumar. Rishi Ramakrishna. Muttaya. Teri Rajesh Babu. Sharmila. Ramareddy, Krunal Rajesh Kumar Panchal, Prasmit Kumar, Dinesh Reddy, Santosh Sarang, Neeraj Kumar, Arati, R. Balaji, Pechetti Durga, Surya Narayan Murthy, Vikram Balaji, Ranjit Kumar, Abhishek Kumar Sharma, Karthik, Billa Prasanna Kumar, Vijay Kumar S, Deep Singh, Arshdeep Singh, Saddam Hussain, Jayalakshmi P, Mrunal Dwivedi, Velugula Ravi, Gollapudi Anuradha, Rajesh, Sujit T, Vidya Tiwari, Darshan Dange, Bharat Nayak, Hemant D. Naga Vasishta. Srishti Singh. Jeetu. Krishna Das VB. Devasmito Das. So next we will go to the MS by research. Nitish Kumar. Vignesh C. Nishant. Hari Sai Chaitanya. Mesana Ahmad. Kaushal Bachao. Amit Kumar Goswami. Sakti Sandran. Srivardhan Reddy. Yagnik Kalpesh Kumar Vaidya. Harshit Sharma. Gokul Krishnan VV. Karthik Ramesh Page. Mariselvan. Amal Prasad. Vignesh B. Mohammad Saif Jamuruddin Siddiqui. Rahul Kumar Pandit. Bandari Kumar Purohit. Jameen Patil. Santosh P. Kukreja Manish Rajkumar, Sanjay Babu T, Pirabu Kannan, Bensi Vince, Srijam Tiwari, Chidela Nimesh, Kaushik, Aditya Pentapati, Arushi Prashant, Abhishek Imbasekar, Aditya Arya, Advait P, Akhilesh, Akshay V, Ananda Krishnan, Anirudh Kalyan, Anushka Venkatesh, Bhavanashri, Mohammad Naufal, Ishan Prasad Kulkarni, Gavande Yash Pradeep, Gauri Nanda, Gullapudi Sai Sriraj, Gurijala Gautam Sai, Harsh Sunil Trivedi, Jai Gautam, Tejaswini, Mahadev Sudhir, Veda Sai Pranav, Narayan Shetty Devendra, Patel Shri Rakesh Kumar, Parabatini Bhavna, Ria Jis, Rudra Hardik, Sai Teja, Anuj Jagannath, Sakte Balan, Sati Sai Krishna Reddy, Sequerer Ronald, Sriram Pilutla, Sumedha Prabha, Vivek, Vas Vedanshu Gaurangbai, Yagneshwaran, so next we will call upon Web MTech program, Mohammad Abu Bakr, Arun Kumar, Atul Garg, Dilip Kumar, Harish Neelam Reddy, one. Aditya Vasan, Atul, Balaji Vishwanath, Barnadas David, Lalita Padmini, Dilip Kumar, Govardhan, Karthik P, Krishna Kannaya, Krishna Singh, Nivaran Chandrakumar, Prashant, Praveen Chandrasekhar, Rajkumar P, Ravi Erojo, Sanjeev Kumar Saini, Shubham, Venkata Narsimha Praveen Bailapudi, Yogendra Singh, Anand V, Anant Kumar G, Arunachalam M, Hemant G, Jagan Mayavaram Subramanyam, Keshav Prasad S, Lakshmi Narayana T, Prabhakaran B, Prem Vinayak, Rahul B, Roshan Kumar, Subish Kumar, Satish Kumar Ye, Titus S, Vijay Raj Balasubramanyam, Vikas Bala Saheb Paul, Vivekananda V, Yadav Ramanand Ram Lalak, Yuvraj S, Vignesh J. Next we will move on to MTech. Vasava Jaydeep Kumar, Arun Selva Kumar, Ayush Kumar, Ishwar, Kodurpaka Naveen Raja, Mathuri Raghuveer, Saumalya Dasgupta, C. Ajay, Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, Amar Eknath, Anish Girish, Atul K. Varghese, Boni Naresh, Chaitanya Raju Bhagat, Chaitanya Avinash Bhavani Shankar, Christy Matthew, Dhanush, A.M. Divyan, Dilip Chaudhary, Deepak Ratilal, Gadda Chintu, Hadi Mohammed, Harshit Dheeraj, Juginsan Paniyadima, Kamal Negi, Kiran Vasishta, Kundrapu Jagadish Naidu, M. Jaisurya, Mahanti Vikas, Manimaran S, Moguram Abhinav Sai, Nikhil Kumar Chaudhary, Prakar Aditya Tiwari, Prakar Aditya Tiwari, Prakar Pratyusha, Pratibha Singh, Ramu Bodakunta, Sankade, Shalom Sawag, Shibu Rajendran, Shivam Jadon, Shreyas Acharji, Shubham Gain, Saumen Kundu, Shrikesh Reddy, Umang Gupta, Urandur Sarat, Vahini Subramanian, Vinod Kumar M, Vishnu PM, Vishnuvardhan Reddy, Adarsh Sharma, Ashay Rajan Yadav, Anand Ketawat, Ayush Manglani, Bora Apla Naidu, Chaitanya Prasad, Yashwant Chaudhary, Harsh Panchakshari, Harshit Kumar, Kalpesh Krishna Kumar Singh, Rajavamshi Meet Kumar, Mohit Girish Bhai, Manu Saroj, Ninad Kumar, Nirbhay, Ramesh Kumar, Rohit Premchand, Satish Kumar, Shoyab Rajil, Siddharth Shamlal Roy, Aditya Mahendra Joshi, Advait, Aparajitan, Badagu Sukumar, Balakrishnan T. Buri Shankar Rao. Chirag Pradeep. Gaurav Parshar. Grandi Subhash. Hariharan. Kedar Ishwar. Mukesh Khanna. Nitish. Ketan Kumar. Ponneri Gautam. Potraju Rupin. Prabhuram. Rahul Prashant. Sheikh Mohammed Salahuddin. Shubham Saini. Venkata Sriharsha. Vivek Kumar. So next we will go to the BTech. Abhijit Kumar. Hind Kumar. Lohit Kumar. Karthik Venkatesh. Tahir Shabir. Balasurya. Yukteshwar. Parikshit Anand Natarajan. Pavan Kumar. Aditya Chincholkar. Rohit Ashwa Sahu. Chinmay Holla. Jyotirmay Patra. Devansh Mishra. Shri Watson. Srinidhi Kuparajan. Sarvesh Rao Saheb Mane. Sai Nitin Pillai. Gandhi Shlok Surendra, Malar Praveen Kamalapur, Pranav Raghuchandran, Venkata Siva Pratik, Sai Kalyan, Akash Pal, Ponnaditi, Vadapalli Sai Srinivas, Shri Venugopal Sheshu, Kintali Navneet, Ishwar Sai, Aditya Raj, Akula Abhishek Rahul, Himasagar, Akul Abhishek Rahul, Himasagar, Chetan Singhal, Himavant Reddy, Sai Venkata Subramanya Tejas, Garu Mundra, Ananya Krishna, Sri Darshan, Mohammad Rumez, Anirudh Sairam, Sabarish, Rajiv Verma, Srinivas Raghuram, Sai Shivram, Pratap Rane, Nikhil Pawan, Rajesh Kumar, Kausikan, Pradima, Misbah Aziz, Harshini, Kasturi Varshini, Madhumita, Avantika, Sneha Darshini, Parag Avinash, Harsh Raj, Rishikesh Tarikere, Bhavesh, Gaurav, Nishant, Yash, Arvind, Lakshmi Rohan, Parth Nitin Kadam, Jatavat Ajay Paul, Sai Vamshi, Vanumu Mohan, Praneeth Pamar, Dibyajyoti Nayak, Pawar Ankita, Adityanshu Abhinav, Aryan Bharti, Ayush Malaviya, Sirisha, Advait Nikhil Jog, Advitiya Goyal, Aishani Patnaik, Ajan Mutturaj, Aksh Saini, Akshay Govind, Aniket Singh, ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇದು Anish Rai Guru, Arin Nagarwal, Arya Kusmakar, Ashwin Kilangar, Ganesh Devashish, Chaitanya Marotra, Chanda Varun, Chunchu Vinamrata, Rudra Sharma, Devineni Janvi, Durga Nair, Farisa, Gayatri, Gundamala Rutvik, Bindu Priya, Hemant Singh, Ridhyansh Agarwal, Sai Ganesh, Ishita Mittal, Jadhav Bhargavi Sandeep, Jamalapuram Surya Shrija, Jenny Nitish, Jatot Vinayak, Jitendra Kumar, Urmika Sonal, Kanupriya Virdi, Kara Nandini, Kavin Prashant, Kushi Sanjay, Krishna Meena, Revant, Malik Rakesh, Datta Sima Kurti, Mayank, Mehul Rathor, Anjana Shri Sai Tejaswi, Mary Gogoi, Mohammad Alkama Khan, Shri Viveka Vardhan, Taral Prashant, Jyoti Roopsika, Nandakumar Aditya Arjun, Narayani Adane, Naresh Kansara, Nikit Agarwal, Nirmal Kumaran, Niveda, Ojas Nilesh Wani, Om Vivek Mahajan, Rishivardhan Reddy, Kartikeya Verma, Pranab T, Purva Rajendra, Priya Agarwal, Priyanshu Ranjan, Pulin, Rishabh Sur, Rishi Dalal, Rishi Talakoti, Rohan B, Sanidhya Mahale, Shailesh K, Shifa Gani Bashir, Shriya, Shubham Satish Sharkane, Siddharth Ram, Siddharth Mishra, Smita, Soham Prashant, Srivatsav, Tomagna Saha, Sai Kishore, Tripti Subodh, Trisha Gautam, Vaishnavi Vijay-Raj, Varun BM, Vibhav Prasanna, Vijay Rubesh, Yuvraj Singh, again Yuvraj Singh, Pratham Mahindra, Yogesh Londe, Roshan Shri Krishna, Mayank Chandak, Nikhilesh, Padala Rajendra, Sandeep Mishra, Vineet Paliwal, Aditya Kumar. So that completes the degree distribution. Thank you very much. Yeah. Moment. Hey, call them. Momento. Yeah, wait. So I request our HOD to present a memento to our chief guest. So I request all of you to rise for the national anthem now. That is the end of the program.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाता जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विदाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Madam.